Ram Ram Ram. Namaskaraha sarvebhyah. Welcome to class 25 of learning to chant Narayaniyam. Gurureva gatir gurumev bhaje gurunaiv sahasmi namo gurave na guroh paramam shishurasmi guroh matirasti gurau mama pahi guro Shrikanto matulo yasya janani sarvamangala Janaka Shankaro Devaha Tam Vande Kunjarananam Pitambaram Karavirajita Shankha Chakra Kaumodaki Sarasitam Karuna Samudram Radha Sahaya Mati Sundara Mandahasam Vatalayesha Manisham Hridi Bhavayami. I hope all of you are able to hear me. We will start with revision from Dashakam 12. First shlokam. Vijay Lakshmi, ma'am. You can begin the.
अथ द्वादशं दशकं स्वायंभुवो मनुरथो जनसर्गशीलः दृष्ट्वा महीमसमये सलिले निमग्नां स्रष्टारमाप शरणं भवदङ्घ्रिसेवा तुष्टाशयं मुनिजनैः सह सत्यलोके. If you can start that raga.
Yes.
Sorry.
Swayambhuvo Manuratho, or now second shloka. Kashtam prajasrijati mayyavanirnimagna.
Kashtam prajasrijati mayyavanirnimagna sthanam saroja bhava kalpayatat prajanam ityevamesha kathito manuna swayambhuhu ambhoruhakshatava padayugam vyachintit. हा हा विभो जलमहं न्यपिबं पुरस्तात् अद्यापि मज्जति मही किमहं करोमि इत्थं त्वदङ्घ्रियुगलं शरणैयतोऽस्य नासापुटात् समभवः शिशुकोलरूपी अङ्गुष्ठमात्र वपुरुत्पतितः पुरस्तात् भूयोऽथ कुम्भिसदृशः समजृम्भथास्त्वम् अभ्रे तथाविधमुदीक्ष्य भवन्तमुच्चैः विस्मेरतां विधिरगात् सह सूनुभिः स्वैः कोसावचिन्त्य महिमा किटिरुत्थितो मे नासापुटात् किमु भवेदजितस्य माया इत्थं विचिन्तयति धातरि शैलमात्रः सद्यो भवन् किल जगर्जित घोर घोरम्.
Next, Aparna Sai, you can continue from 6.
Tam te ninadamupakarnya janastapasthaha satyasthitascha munayo nunuvurbhavantam tatstotra harshulamana parinadya bhuyaha toyashayam vipulamurtiravatarastvam. ऊर्ध्व प्रसारि परिधूम्र विधूतरोमा प्रोत्क्षिप्तवालधिरवाङ्मुख घोर घोणः तूर्ण प्रदीर्ण जलदः परिघूर्ण दक्षिणा स्तोत्रन्मुनीन् शिशिरयन्नवतेरिथत्वम्.
Sorry, this should have been stotrun. The rikara is dirgha. I forgot to change it. I will change it. The stotrun rikara is dirgha. I think I told it during the class, but I forgot to change it here. Yeah, it's stotrun. Stotrun muni. Next.
अन्तर्जलं तदनुसङ्कुलनक्रचक्रं भ्राम्यत्तिमिङ्गिलकुलं कलुषोर्मिमालम् आविश्य भीषणरवेण रसातलस्थान् आकम्पयन् वसुमतीमगवेशयस्त्वम् दृष्ट्वाथ दैत्यहतकेन रसातलान्ते संवेशितां झटिति कूटकिटिर्विभो त्वम् आपातुकानविगणय्य सुरारिखेटान् दंष्ट्राङ्कुरेण वसुधामदधाः सलीलम् अभ्युद्धरन्नथ धरां दशनाग्रलग्नमुस्ताङ्कुराङ्कित इवाधिकपीवरात्मा उद्धूतघोरसलिला जलधेरुदञ्चन् क्रीडावराह वपुरीश्वर पाहि रोगात्।
Last.
इति श्रीमन्नारायणीये वराहावतारं नाम 12 दशकं समाप्तं। नारायणाखिलगुरो भगवन् नमस्ते।
13th dashakam as Spurti. You can do the revision, the first 5 shlokas. Spurti.
हिरण्याक्षं तावत् वरद भवदन्वेषणपरं चरन्तं सांवर्ते पयसि निजजङ्घा परिमिते भवद्भक्तो गत्वा कपटपटुधीर्नारदमुनिः शनैरूचे नन्दन्दनुजमपि निन्दं स्तव बलम् समायावी विष्णुर्हरति भवदीयां वसुमतीं प्रभो कष्टं किमिदमिति तेनाभिगदितः नदन् क्वासाविति स मुनिना दर्शितपदः भवन्तं सम्प्रापद्धरणिधरमुद्यन्तमुदकात् अहो आरण्योऽयं मृग इति हसन्तं बहुतरैः दुरुक्तैर्विध्यन्तं दितिसुतमवज्ञाय भगवन् महीं दृष्ट्वा दंष्ट्रा शिरसि चकितां स्वेन महसा पयोधावाधाय प्रसभमुदयुक्था मृधविधौ गदापाणौ दैत्ये त्वमपि हि गृहीतोन्नतगदः नियुद्धेन क्रीडन् घटघटरवोद्धुष्टवियता रणालो नियुद्धेन क्रीडन् घटघटरवोत्कृष्टवियता रणालोकौत्सुक्यान्मिलति सुरसङ्घे धृतममुं निरुन्ध्या सन्ध्यातः प्रथममिति छात्रा जगदिशे गदोन्मर्दे तस्मिंस्तव खलु गदायां दिति भुवः गदाघाताद् भूमौ झटिति पतितायामहह भोः मृदुस्मेरास्यस्त्वन्दनुजकुलनिर्मूलनचणं महाचक्रं स्मृत्वा करभुवि दधानोरुरुचिषे.
Good. We'll move on to shloka number 6. the new shloka for today. Sri Nayana, yes. If you have a video, you can switch it on. If not, it's okay. We'll just continue. Tatashulam
ततशूलं
Kala Pratima
कालप्रतिमा
Rushi Daitye
ऋषिदैत्ये
Visrjati
विसृजति
Tvayi
त्वयि
Chindatyenat
छिन्दत्येनत्
Karakalita
करकलिता
Chakrapraharanat
चक्रप्रहरणात्
Samarushtah
समारुष्टः
Mushtyasah
मुष्ट्या सह
Khalu Vitudan
खलु वितुदन्
Tvam Samatanot
त्वां समतनोत्
Galanmaye
गलन्माये
Mayastvayi
मायास्त्वयि
Kila Jaganmohanakarihi
किल जगन्मोहनकरीः
Tatashulam
ततशूलं
Kala Pratimarushi
कालप्रतिमऋषि
Daitye Visrjati
दैत्ये विसृजति
Tvayi Chindatyenat
त्वयि छिन्दत्येनत्
Karakalita
करकलिता
Chakrapraharanat
चक्रप्रहरणात्
Samarushto Mushtya
समारुष्टो मुष्ट्या सखलु
Vitudam Stvam Samatanot
वितुदं स्वां समतनोत्
Galanmaye
गलन्माये
Mayastvayi Kila
मायास्त्वयि किल
Jaganmohanakarihi
जगन्मोहनकरीः
Tatashulam Kala Pratimarushi
ततशूलं कालप्रतिमऋषि
Daitye Visrjati
दैत्ये विसृजति दैत्ये विसृजति
त्वयिच्छिन्दत्येन
त्वयिच्छिन्दत्येन
करकलितचक्रप्रहरणात्
करकलितचक्रप्रहरणात्
समारुष्टो मुष्ट्या
समारुष्टो मुष्ट्या
स खलु वितुदंस्त्वां समतनोत्
स खलु वितुदं स्वां समतनोत् स खलु वितुदं स्वां समतनोत्
गलन्माये मायास्त्वयि
गलन्माये मायास्त्वयि गलन्माये मायास्त्वयि
किल जगन्मोहनकरीः
किल जगन्मोहनकरीः किल जगन्मोहनकरीः
ततः शूलङ्कालप्रतिमऋषिदैत्ये विसृजति
ततः शूलङ्कालप्रतिमऋषिदैत्ये विसृजति ततः शूलङ्कालप्रतिमऋषिदैत्ये विसृजति
त्वयिच्छिन्दत्येन करकलितचक्रप्रहरणात्
त्वयिच्छिन्दत्येन करकलितचक्रप्रहरणात् त्वयिच्छिन्दत्येन करकलितचक्रप्रहरणात्
समारुष्टो मुष्ट्या स खलु वितुदंस्त्वां समतनोत्
समारुष्टो मुष्ट्या स खलु विदुदं स्वां समतनोत् समारुष्टो मुष्ट्या स खलु विदुदं स्वां समतनोत्
गलन्माये मायास्त्वयि किल जगन्मोहनकरीः
गलन्माये मायास्त्वयि किल जगन्मोहनकरीः गलन्माये मायास्त्वयि किल जगन्मोहनकरीः
The whole shloka repeated once.
ततः शूलङ्कालप्रतिमऋषिदैत्ये विसृजति त्वयिच्छिन्दत्येन करकलितचक्रप्रहरणात् समारुष्टो मुष्ट्या स खलु वितुदं स्वां समतनोत् गलन्माये मायास्त्वयि किल जगन्मोहनकरीः
Very good. Well decided. We want to shloka 7. Raghunandana.
भवच्चक्र ज्योतिष्कण लवनिपातेन विधुते
Raghunandana, your video is not on.
कश्चित् क्लेशः अस्ति वीडियो मध्ये
अस्तु ततो माया चक्रे विततघन रोषान्धमनसं गरिष्ठाभिः
गरिष्ठाभिः गरिष्ठाभिः
मुष्टिप्रहृतिभिः
मुष्टिप्रहृतिभिः मुष्टिप्रहृतिभिः
अभिघ्नन्तम्
अभिघ्नन्तम् अभिघ्नन्तम्
असुरम्
असुरम् असुरम्
स्वपादाङ्गुष्ठेन
स्वपादाङ्गुष्ठेन स्वपादाङ्गुष्ठेन
श्रवणपदमूले
श्रवणपदमूले श्रवणपदमूले
निरवधिः
निरवधिः निरवधिः
भवच्चक्र
भवच्चक्र भवच्चक्र
ज्योतिष्कणलव
ज्योतिष्कणलव ज्योतिष्कणलव
निपातेन विधुते
निपातेन विधुते निपातेन विधुते
ततो मायाचक्रे
ततो मायाचक्रे ततो मायाचक्रे
विततघन
विततघन विततघन
रोषान्धमनसम्
रोषान्धमनसम् रोषान्धमनसम्
गरिष्ठाभिः
गरिष्ठाभिः गरिष्ठाभिः
मुष्टिप्रहृतिभिः
मुष्टिप्रहृतिभिः मुष्टिप्रहृतिभिः
अभिघ्नन्तमसुरम्
अभिघ्नन्तमसुरम् अभिघ्नन्तमसुरम्
स्वपादाङ्गुष्ठेन
स्वपादाङ्गुष्ठेन स्वपादाङ्गुष्ठेन
श्रवणपदमूले
श्रवणपदमूले श्रवणपदमूले
निरवधिः
निरवधिः निरवधिः
भवच्चक्रज्योतिष्कणलव
भवच्चक्रज्योतिष्कणलव भवच्चक्रज्योतिष्कणलव
निपातेन विधुते
निपातेन विधुते निपातेन विधुते
भवच्चक्रज्योतिष्कणलव निपातेन विधुते
भवच्चक्रज्योतिष्कणलव निपातेन विधुते भवच्चक्रज्योतिष्कणलव निपातेन विधुते
ततो मायाचक्रे
ततो मायाचक्रे ततो मायाचक्रे
विततघनरोषान्धमनसम्
विततघनरोषान्धमनसम् विततघनरोषान्धमनसम्
गरिष्ठाभिर्मुष्टि
गरिष्ठाभिर्मुष्टि गरिष्ठाभिर्मुष्टि
प्रहृतिभिरभिघ्नन्तमसुरम्
प्रहृतिभिरभिघ्नन्तमसुरम् प्रहृतिभिरभिघ्नन्तमसुरम्
गरिष्ठाभिर्मुष्टिप्रहृतिभिरभिघ्नन्तमसुरम्
गरिष्ठाभिर्मुष्टिप्रहृतिभिरभिघ्नन्तमसुरम् गरिष्ठाभिर्मुष्टिप्रहृतिभिरभिघ्नन्तमसुरम् प्रहृतिभिरभिघ्नन्तमसुरम्
स्वपादाङ्गुष्ठेन
स्वपादाङ्गुष्ठेन
श्रवणपदमूले निरवधिः
श्रवणपदमूले निरवधिः श्रवणपदमूले निरवधिः
स्वपादाङ्गुष्ठेन श्रवणपदमूले निरवधिः
स्वपादाङ्गुष्ठेन श्रवणपदमूले निरवधिः स्वपादाङ्गुष्ठेन श्रवणपदमूले निरवधिः भवच्चक्रज्योतिष्कणलवनिपातेन विधुते ततो मायाचक्रे विततघनरोषान्धमनसम् गरिष्ठाभिर्मुष्टिप्रहृतिभिरभिघ्नन्तमसुरम् स्वपादाङ्गुष्ठेन श्रवणपदमूले निरवधिः.
Very good. So in this third line here, it's a little, there's a lot of prana, that is breath is required. You need to hold your breath so that there are a lot of mahapranas, and the pakara, that is garishthabhirmushtiprahritibrabhigrantamasuram. And if you stop it somewhere in between, the effect will not come, because it is the yuddha is going on between Varaha and Hiranyaksha. So when you say it along with that, the whole line, if it's said together, then more effect is there. So it's a poetic nuance also. We'll move on to shloka 8, Amogha. Mahakayah.
Mahakayah. Mahakayah.
Soyantava.
Soyantava. Soyantava.
Charanapata.
Charanapata. Charanapata.
Pramathitaha.
Pramathitaha. Pramathitaha.
Galadraktaha.
Galadraktaha. Galadraktaha.
Vaktrat.
Vaktrat. Vaktrat.
Apatadrishibhihi.
Apatadrishibhihi. Apatadrishibhihi.
Shlaghitahatihi.
Shlaghitahatihi. Shlaghitahatihi.
Tadatvam.
Tadatvam. Tadatvam.
Uddama.
Uddama. Uddama.
Pramadabhara.
Pramadabhara. Pramadabhara.
Vidyoti hridaya.
Vidyoti hridaya. Vidyoti hridaya.
Munindraha.
Munindraha. Munindraha.
Sandrabhihi.
Sandrabhihi. Sandrabhihi.
Stutibhihi.
Stutibhihi. Stutibhihi.
Anuvan.
Anuvan. Anuvan.
Adhvaratanum.
Adhvaratanum. Adhvaratanum.
In this third line, a lot of you I have seen during either recitation by students or even sometimes during the memorization. You see here, Tvam Uddama, there is a double dakara here. This is Uddama. So that is Alpa Prana Da upon an Alpa Prana Da. For example, it is Da plus Da. So both are Alpa Prana Das. So while reciting that, there should just be some extra matra kala that is print on the Da and not stressed on the da. For example, it is not tvamuddhama, it is tvamuddhama. So it is dakara upon dakara. And similarly with this vidyoti hridaya, so a lot of people, the way it is written in the script, they think it is the dhakara mahaprana, but it is not. It is alpa prana da plus yakara. Therefore, that also is vidya when we have names like Vidya, Shri Vidya and all. So it is just alpa prana da. So those, since it is a common general confusion for students, I am just clarifying that point. We will continue the shloka. Mahakaya soyam.
Mahakaya soyam. Mahakaya soyam.
Tava charana.
Tava charana. Tava charana.
Pata pramathitaha.
Pata pramathitaha. Pata pramathitaha.
Galadrakto vaktrat.
Galadrakto vaktrat. Galadrakto vaktrat.
Apatadrishibhihi.
Apatadrishibhihi. Apatadrishibhihi.
Shlaghitahatihi.
Shlaghitahatihi. Shlaghitahatihi.
Tadatvamuddama.
Tadatvamuddama. Tadatvamuddama.
Pramadabhara vidyoti hridaya.
Pramadabhara vidyoti hridaya. Pramadabhara vidyoti hridaya.
Munindra sandrabhihi.
Munindra sandrabhihi. Munindra sandrabhihi.
Stutibhiranuvanna.
Stutibhiranuvanna. Stutibhiranuvanna.
Adhvaratanum.
Adhvaratanum. Adhvaratanum.
Mahakaya soyam.
Mahakaya soyam. Mahakaya soyam.
Tava charana pata pramathitaha.
Tava charanapata pramathitaha. Tava charanapata pramathitaha.
Mahakaya soyam tava charana pata pramathitaha.
Mahakaya soyam tava charanapata pramathitaha. Mahakaya soyam tava charanapata pramathitaha.
Galadrakto vaktrat.
Galadrakto vaktrat. Galadrakto vaktrat.
Apatadrishibhi shlaghitahatihi.
Apatadrishibhi shlaghitahatihi. Apatadrishibhi shlaghitahatihi.
Galadrakto vaktrat. Apatadrishibhi shlaghitahatihi.
Galadrakto vaktradapatadrishibhi shlaghitahatihi. Galadrakto vaktradapatadrishibhi shlaghitahatihi.
Tadatvamuddama pramada.
Tadatvamuddama pramada. Tadatvamuddama pramada.
Bhara vidyoti hridaya.
Bhara vidyoti hridaya. Bhara vidyoti hridaya.
Tadatvamuddama pramada bhara vidyoti hridaya.
Tadatvamuddama pramada bhara vidyoti hridaya. Tadatvamuddama pramada bhara vidyoti भरविद्योतिहृदया
मुनीन्द्राः सान्द्राभिः
मुनीन्द्राः सान्द्राभिः
स्तुतिभिरनुवन्नध्वरतनुम्
स्तुतिभिरनुवन्नध्वरतनुम्
तदा त्वामुद्दामप्रम् that is over, no? Okay. मुनीन्द्राः सान्द्राभिस्तुतिभिरनुवन्नध्वरतनुम्
मुनीन्द्राः सान्द्राभिस्तुतिभिरनुवन्नध्वरतनुम् मुनीन्द्राः सान्द्राभिस्तुतिभिरनुवन्नध्वरतनुम् महाकायः सोऽयं तव चरणपातप्रमथितः गलद्रक्तो वक्त्रादपददृशिभिः श्लाघितहतिः तदा त्वामुद्दामप्रमदभरविद्योतिहृदया मुनीन्द्राः सान्द्राभिस्तुतिभिरनुवन्नध्वरतनुम्.
Very good. Now in the center itself, I'll make a couple of announcements in between itself, because I just wanted to show. A lot of people are asking, how do we search on YouTube and where does it come on YouTube, and a couple of points related to how YouTube can be better used for such things, and what exactly we have over there. And so I just want to show a couple of things there. So when you go to YouTube, you can search for Vyoma Samskrita Pathashala. So this is the spelling as I am typing it here. You see it, and it is there on every slide. So this Vyoma Samskrita Pathashala, the spelling is there on every slide of the presentation also. So the spelling should not go wrong. Samskrita has only KRTA, and then Pathashala has a TH. So when you type that in, you get the first one, you get a channel. So if at all you are not subscribed, if you subscribe to the channel, you would get your notification. So when any of us upload a video, for example, this class video is uploaded, you will usually get a notification on this Samskrita Pathashala, both on mobile and desktop or whatever. It is going to remain the same. I hope my screen is seen. Okay. Nonetheless, here next to the subscribe button also there is another bell notification. So if you press this, for sure you will get notifications. So that depends on your own convenience whether you want to press the bell or not. YouTube will give you a lot of notifications from that channel. So every time we upload a video, you will get a notification relating to the channel that this new video has been uploaded. So as soon as I upload this class's video, you would get a notification and you will know. And you will not have to go to the course page to access the video. You can come straight away to here to access the video. And next is about playlists. So on both mobile and desktop version, there is a tab called playlist. So if you go to the playlist, each of the classes that goes on both Vyoma is a different playlist. So for example, here we can go and choose the Learn to Chant Narayaniam playlist and say view the full playlist. So starting from class 1, all the classes are there as a playlist. So the idea of a playlist is if you put play in one place, then it will go on to the next videos by itself. So you don't have to go on searching for the next video or the next class, so to say. So each class will go on continuing. So let us just open one of the videos. But this is more useful for the separate dashakam. So Sriman Narayaniam dashakam by dashakam recitation is one playlist. So if at all you want to revise all the dashakams, so you already have seen the book and you know to read it well, and you want to memorize it, or you just want to listen to it while doing some other work, this is the best playlist for you. So you just start with Narayan Dashakam 1. It is going to play all dashakams that we have learned till now. So I have completed till Dashakam 12 and it is updated till Dashakam 12. So you can go here, you can play from anywhere. So if you want 5 to 10 revision, you just start playing at 5 and it will go on till 10. So you can get to know all these. And assuming I just use this video, let us say this is class 23. So this is class 23. If you see below, there is a new feature in YouTube where it says the revision of Dashakam 9 here, depending on the timestamps that we have given below. So in the description, usually we have given till where is the introduction, from where the revision starts, and from where the new shlokas are taught, and then announcements and revision and question answers as usual. So each of them is given a time as to where it starts. So if you just press on the time, the video will go to that particular time. So it becomes useful for you. Sometimes it takes time to update these timestamps. So as soon as the video is uploaded, the timestamp may be wrong, but in a couple of days, they should be working fine. So the other feature is using these timestamps to go to the exact right position. And some of you might want to play the video faster or slower. So you want to listen to it slower, then you have something called the playback speed. So on the desktop, it is using the settings. On the mobile, it is those 3 dots that comes in the video. So if you put it at 0.5, then the whole recitation will go in half the speed. If you put it as 1.5, it will go faster. So these are some things that people had asked in mail and you have doubts. So this playback speed and using the timestamps, all these will be very useful even in listening to these dashakams. So mainly the points are, if you subscribe, you will get notifications. There are playlists to go one after the other. There is a playback speed, and then there are timestamps. So these are the main 4 points that I wanted to convey to all of you. I hope all of you get the idea as to what it is. So now let us get back to class and continue with the 9th shloka. Ramya, 9th shloka. If any of you have any doubts regarding that, we can come to it during the question answers. Ramya? Yes. त्वचिच्छन्दः
त्वचिच्छन्दः त्वचिच्छन्दः
रोमस्वपि
रोमस्वपि रोमस्वपि
कुशगणः
कुशगणः कुशगणः
चक्षुषि घृतम्
चक्षुषि घृतम् चक्षुषि घृतम्
चतुर्होतारः
चतुर्होतारः चतुर्होतारः
अङ्घ्रौ सृगपि
अङ्घ्रौ सृगपि अङ्घ्रौ सृगपि
वदने
वदने वदने
चोदर इडा
चोदर इडा चोदर इडा
ग्रहाजिह्वायाम्
ग्रहाजिह्वायाम् ग्रहाजिह्वायाम्
ते परपुरुष
ते परपुरुष ते परपुरुष
कर्णे च चमसा
कर्णे च चमसा कर्णे च चमसा
विभो सोमो वीर्यम्
विभो सोमो वीर्यम् विभो सोमो वीर्यम्
वरद गलदेशे
वरद गलदेशे वरद गलदेशे
अप्युपसदः
अप्युपसदः अप्युपसदः
त्वचिच्छन्दः
त्वचिच्छन्दः त्वचिच्छन्दः
रोमस्वपि
रोमस्वपि रोमस्वपि
कुशगणश्चक्षुषि घृतम्
कुशगणश्चक्षुषि घृतम् कुशगणश्चक्षुषि घृतम्
चतुर्होतारोऽघ्रौ
चतुर्होतारोऽघ्रौ
सृगपि वदने
सृगपि वदने
चोदर इडा
चोदर इडा
ग्रहा जिह्वायां ते
ग्रहा जिह्वायां ते
परपुरुष
परपुरुष
कर्णे च चमसा
कर्णे च चमसा
विभो सोमः
विभो सोमः
वीर्यं वरद
वीर्यं वरद
गलदेशेऽप्युपसदः
गलदेशेऽप्युपसदः
त्वचिच्छन्दो रोमस्वपि
त्वचिच्छन्दो रोमस्वपि
कुशगणश्चक्षुषि घृतम्
कुशगणश्चक्षुषि घृतम्
चतुर्होतारोऽघ्रौ
चतुर्होतारोऽघ्रौ
सृगपि वदने चोदर इडा
चोदर इडा
त्वचिच्छन्दो रोमस्वपि कुशगणश्चक्षुषि घृतम्
त्वचिच्छन्दो कुशगणश्चक्षुषि घृतम् त्वचिच्छन्दो रोमस्वपि कुशगणश्चक्षुषि घृतम्
चतुर्होतारोऽघ्रौ सृगपि वदने चोदर इडा
चतुर्होतारोऽघ्रौ सृगपि वदने चोदर इडा चतुर्होतारोऽघ्रौ सृगपि वदने चोदर इडा
ग्रहा जिह्वायान्ते
ग्रहा जिह्वायान्ते
परपुरुष कर्णे च चमसा
परपुरुष कर्णे च चमसा
ग्रहा जिह्वायान्ते परपुरुष कर्णे च चमसा
ग्रहा जिह्वायान्ते परपुरुष कर्णे च चमसा ग्रहा जिह्वायान्ते परपुरुष कर्णे च चमसा
विभो सोमो वीर्यम्
विभो सोमो वीर्यम्
वरदगलदेशेऽप्युपसदः विभो सोमो वीर्यं वरदगलदेशेऽप्युपसदः
विभो सोमो वीर्यं वरदगलदेशेऽप्युपसदः विभो सोमो वीर्यं वरदगलदेशेऽप्युपसदः त्वचिच्छन्दो रोमस्वपि कुशगणश्चक्षुषि घृतम् चतुर्होतारोङ्घ्रौ सृगपि वदने चोदर इडा ग्रहा जिह्वायान्ते परपुरुषकर्णे च चमसा विभो सोमो वीर्यं वरदगलदेशेऽप्युपसदः.
Very good. Also, a lot of people are asking, what if I want to join newly? So if this is the first class, can I join in the middle and everything? Since this is a recitation course, you can join at any point of time. So whichever part of Dashakams you learn, from wherever you learn in Narayaniam, it is for the greatest of benefit. And there is no it does not depend on the previous portion. So every day if I am teaching 5 shlokas, it is not that you have to know the previous 5 shlokas to understand this or to recite this. You need not know the previous 5 shlokas. So each of them is a separate class. So anybody who starts learning, it is all at the same level. You can join at any time. So if anybody asks you, also tell them. And to revise the previous ones, if you want to catch up, you can catch up in the previous, the video recordings are anyway available on YouTube. You can go through them. Also for the upcoming tests or anything, even if you have not given tests for Dashakam 1 to 5 or 5 to 10, you can always apply for the next test if you are able to memorize them. So here, I think there was a doubt. Tadatva muddama pramadabhara vidyoti hridayaha. I missed out a visarga here and I taught without the visarga. There is a visarga at the end of the third line. Vidyoti hridayaha. So the visarga is missing. In the English text, I will correct and put it. So the third line goes as Shloka 8, 13 Dashakam. Tadatva muddama pramadabhara vidyoti hridayaha. It is a plural, so it has the visarga. Sorry, I missed it out during teaching. So last shloka for today, shloka number 10. Spurti. Munindraihi.
मुनीन्द्रैः मुनीन्द्रैः
इत्यादि
इत्यादि इत्यादि
स्तवनमुखरैः
स्तवनमुखरैः स्तवनमुखरैः
मोदितमनाः
मोदितमनाः मोदितमनाः
महीयस्य
महीयस्य महीयस्य
मूर्त्या
मूर्त्या मूर्त्या
विमलतरकीर्त्या
विमलतरकीर्त्या विमलतरकीर्त्या
च विलसन्
च विलसन् च विलसन्
स्वधिष्ण्यं सम्प्राप्तः
स्वधिष्ण्यं सम्प्राप्तः स्वधिष्ण्यं सम्प्राप्तः
सुखरस
सुखरस सुखरस
विहारी मधुरिपो
विहारी मधुरिपो विहारी मधुरिपो
निरुन्ध्याः
निरुन्ध्याः निरुन्ध्याः
रोगं मे
रोगं मे रोगं मे
सकलमपि
सकलमपि सकलमपि
वातालयपते
वातालयपते वातालयपते.
So here at the end of the first line, there is a visarga. Usually in the printed books, they do not put that because when you tell the first and second line together, because of the sandhi, the visarga lopa happens. So it is not a printing mistake in the books. Since we are telling each line separately, we are including the visarga there. मुनीन्द्रैरित्यादि
मुनीन्द्रैरित्यादि
स्तवनमुखरैः
स्तवनमुखरैः
मोदितमनाः
मोदितमनाः
महीयस्या मूर्त्या
महीयस्या मूर्त्या
विमलतर कीर्त्या च
विलसन्
स्वधिष्ण्यं सम्प्राप्तः
स्वधिष्ण्यं सुखरसविहारी
मधुरिपो निरुन्ध्यारोगं मे
निरुन्ध्यारोगं मे
सकलमपि वातालयपते मुनीन्द्रैरित्यादि स्तवनमुखरैर्मोदितमनाः मुनीन्द्रैरित्यादि स्तवनमुखरैर्मोदितमनाः महीयस्या मूर्त्या विमलतर कीर्त्या च विलसन् महीयस्या मूर्त्या विमलतर कीर्त्या च विलसन् स्वधिष्ण्यं सम्प्राप्तः सुखरसविहारी मधुरिपो स्वधिष्ण्यं सम्प्राप्तः सुखरसविहारी मधुरिपो
स्वधिष्ण्यं सम्प्राप्तः सुखरसविहारी मधुरिपो
निरुन्ध्यारोगं मे सकलमपि वातालयपते निरुन्ध्यारोगं मे सकलमपि वातालयपते
निरुन्ध्यारोगं मे सकलमपि वातालयपते मुनीन्द्रैरित्यादिस्तवनमुखरैर्मोदितमनाः महीयस्या मूर्त्या विमलतरकीर्त्या च विलसन् स्वधिष्ण्यं सम्प्राप्तः सुखरसविहारी मधुरिपो निरुन्ध्यारोगं मे सकलमपि वातालयपते
इति श्रीमन्नारायणीये
इति श्रीमन्नारायणीये हिरण्याक्षवधन्नाम
त्रयोदशं दशकं समाप्तम्
त्रयोदशं दशकं समाप्तम्
नारायणाखिल गुरो भगवान्
इति श्रीमन्नारायणीये हिरण्याक्षवधन्नाम त्रयोदशं दशकं समाप्तम् नारायणाखिल गुरो भगवन्नमस्ते.
Good. So I will just recite the whole of the 13th dashakam now, and then we will take some questions. I will just recite the whole of the 13th dashakam. Atha त्रयोदशं दशकम् हिरण्याक्षं तावद्वरदभवदन्वेषणपरं चरन्तं सांवर्ते पयसि निजजङ्घापरिमिते भवद्भक्तो गत्वा कपटपटुधीर्नारदमुनिः शनैरूचे नन्दन् दनुजमपि निन्दंस्तव बलम् समायावी विष्णुर्हरति भवदीयां वसुमतीं प्रभो कष्टं कष्टं किमिदमिति तेनाभिगदितः नदन् क्वासौ क्वासाविति स मुनिना दर्शितपथः भवन्तं सम्प्रापद्धरणिधरमुद्यन्तमुदकात् अहो आरण्योऽयं मृग इति हसन्तं बहुतरैः दुरुक्तैर्विध्यन्तं दितिसुतमवज्ञाय भगवन् महीन् दृष्ट्वा दंष्ट्राशिरसि चकितां स्वेन महसा पयोधावाधाय प्रसभमुदयुङ्क्तामृधविधौ गदापाणौ दैत्ये त्वमपि हि गृहीतोन्नतगदः नियुद्धेन क्रीडन् घटघटरवोद्घुष्टवियता रणालोकौत्सुक्यान्मिलति सुरसङ्घे द्रुतममुम् निरुन्ध्याः सन्ध्यातः प्रथममिति धात्रा जगदिशे गदोन्मर्दे तस्मिंस्तव खलु गदायान्दिति भुवः गदाघाताद् भूमौ झटिति पतितायामहः भोः मृदुस्मेरास्यस्त्वं दनुजकुलनिर्मूलनचणं महाचक्रं स्मृत्वा करभुवि दधानोरुरुचिषे ततः शूलङ्कालप्रतिमऋषि दैत्ये विसृजति त्वयिच्छिन्दत्येन करकलितचक्रप्रहरणात् समारुष्टो मुष्ट्या स खलु वितुदं स्त्वां समतनोत् गलन्माये मायास्त्वयि किल जगन्मोहनकरीः भवच्चक्रज्योतिष्कणलवनिपातेन विधुते ततो माया चक्रे विततघनरोषान्धमनसं गरिष्ठाभिर्मुष्टिप्रहृतिभिरभिघ्नन्तमसुरम् स्वपादाङ्गुष्ठेन श्रवणपदमूले निरवधिः महाकायः सोऽयं तव चरणपादप्रमथितः गलद्रक्तो वक्त्रादपतदृशिभिः श्लाघितहतिः तदा त्वामुद्दामप्रमदभरविद्योतिहृदयाः मुनीन्द्राः सान्द्राभिः स्तुतिभिरनुवन्नध्वरतनुम् त्वचिच्छन्दो रोमस्वपि कुशगणश्चक्षुषि घृतम् चतुर्होतारोऽङ्घ्रौ सृगपि वदने चोदर इडा ग्रहाजिह्वायान्ते परपुरुषकर्णे च चमसा विभो सोमो वीर्यम् वरदगलदेशेऽप्युपसदः मुनीन्द्रैरित्यादिस्तवनमुखरैर्मोदितमनाः महीयस्या मूर्त्या विमलतरकीर्त्या च विलसन् स्वधिष्ण्यं सम्प्राप्तः सुखरसविहारी मधुरिपो निरुन्ध्यारोगं मे सकलमपि वातालयपते इति श्रीमन्नारायणीये हिरण्याक्षवधं नाम त्रयोदशं दशकं समाप्तम् नारायणाखिलगुरो भगवन् नमस्ते. Ram Ram Ram. So now we will take some questions. I'll just put all the hands down, and after questions we will have some recitation. If anyone has questions, I don't think there should be many questions as such. Okay, there are quite a few questions. T Rajesh 71. Then I'll call Raghunandan.
Yeah. Namaste. Is it audible?
Yes, I can hear you. Ram.
Yeah. Actually, I wanted to know is like Durga Saptashati has opening nyasam and closing nyasam. Is there any nyasam for Narayaniyam?
There's no traditional nyasam in Narayaniyam as such. Maybe one because it is a kind of recent, so it is.
Yeah, it's not Vedic. Yeah. Okay.
And I have not come across, because in the Bhashya, the commentary books also, there is no nyasam. There are some, a few people have some things like dhyana shlokas, where they have taken few shlokas from Bhagavata, some from Narayaniyam, and some other shlokas from Krishna and Guruvayurappan, and they have kept it as dhyana and Mangala shlokas. But not traditionally Sampradaya like we have for Ramayana, Bhagavata, or Vishnu Sahasranama. There is no traditional nyasam or dhyana and Mangala shloka is not there.
Okay.
The three and the dhyana, that is good enough. There is no other separate like for Anganyasa, Karanyasa, there is no.
Correct. Okay. Thanks. One more is actually usually I attend all these Saturday class. By chance, if I miss, I don't know when it is uploaded. Sometimes it is uploaded on Saturday or Sunday or Monday. So I keep waiting actually when it is happening. Yeah.
Sometimes it is uploaded on Monday. So this video has to be processed by the recording, that is the GoToWebinar, and then I upload it. So if I do not get time on Sunday, then I upload it on Monday.
Okay. Because I'll be desperately waiting whether it came today. Notification. Thank you so much. Thank you very much.
Next, Raghunandanan wanted to ask a question. 1 second, I'll just unmute Raghunandanan. Yes. Raghunandanan, you are saying.
Yeah, Namaste Ram. Namaste Ram.
Namaste.
Yeah, in my book, 7th sloka has the 4th line is Karagrena Svena. Because it's
Karagrena Svena.
Karagrena Svena.
That is also a correct patha. So here Dhanvantari is telling he hit him with the leg, he kicked him. So there it is with hand. So both are, I think it is two different Pathavedas. Both are allowed. We are going to follow this because this is there in our.
No, my book itself they given actually. No,
for a bear, that is wild boar, both whether it is the feet or the hand, it is quite the same. So all four are feet. So that's why pada angushtena. That karagrena is also fine.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Yeah. Uma Kriti. Then I'll call Vijay Lakshmi Parthasarathi.
Namaste, Guruji. In 13 Dasaga, Sloham number 9.
Yes.
Third line. Graha jigvayam te parapurusha karne cha samasaha or samasa.
Okay, karne cha. Oh, okay. I think it is chamasaha. Chamasaha is one. I think chamasaha is the other part. Here also I missed a visarga. I think so. Yeah, both are fine. Both are agreeable. It is only Pathaveda. Both are fine.
Chamasaha.
Yeah, chamasaha or chamasaha. Both are fine. Yes.
Okay. Thank you, Guruji.
Vijay Lakshmi Parthasarathi.
Namaste, sir. For me, in shloka number 8, the first line, it is Mahakaya Soyan Tava Karasaroja Pramatitaha.
Again, so since for a Varaha, both hand and leg are same, some people have used, that is, there is a Pathaveda for Kara and Charana. We are going for this, both are right.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Priyadarshini Payani, then I will call Mallika Suresh. Ram. You unmuted and muted again.
Yeah, okay. Namaskaram, Mahodaya.
Namaskaram.
I have doubt in the 13th Dashakam, 66th sloka.
Yes.
No, I think Shravana something, I think 6th or 7th, I don't know. This sloka. In the last line, how to do the sandhi in between the first and second word? Could you please explain that, the exact sandhi? The pronunciation, yeah.
Swapada Angushtena.
Angushtena. When we are joining together, then Shravana Pada Mule, then how to do the sandhi? Is there any sandhi here?
There is no sandhi there. Both are separate words. There is no sandhi there at all. It is, but because this shra here is a samyuktakshara, that is, it is sha plus ra. Therefore, for samyuktakshara, it is like we have one slight stress there of one more sha, something like that. It is not. It will not be written. It is not a given. It is not technically yet. While pronunciation, it is swapadangushtena shravanapada. That ish will come. It happens for all akshara. For example, even the simple chakra is there. You don't say chakra. You say chakra, as if there is an extra. So it happens for all samyukta.
Okay, Guruji. Thank you so much. And one more thing, someone was asking that they are waiting desperately for the video. If they have clicked the notifications, in the Vyoma Samskrita Pathashala YouTube channel, if they click the bell icon, then they would be getting the notifications all the time.
Waiting for me to upload as fast as possible. That was the intention.
Yeah. If they click the bell icon in the YouTube channel, immediately they will get the notification. They will get notified that this video has uploaded at once. Just telling that.
That's what I announced in between the class. Hopefully they have heard you. Yes. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, Guruji. Thank you.
Mallika Suresh.
Namaskaram. Can you hear me?
No, yes, I can hear you. Yes.
Yeah. First of all, thank you so much for your wonderful efforts.
Yes.
And websiteல இது வந்து அக்டோபர் வரைக்கும் டேட்ஸ் போட்டிருக்கு for the webinar. So is there a break? அதுக்கப்புறம் கொஞ்சம் short break இருக்கா?
No, there is no break as such. I think that is just that GoToWebinar, they have just put it for 25 classes, 50 classes, and then so that it just shows me when we start. That is nothing related to any break.
Oh, okay. And then,
through mail, if at all there is anything. For now, there is no scheduled break or anything as such. If there is any holiday or anything that comes up, we are not able to contact, it will be intimated through mail. At least a couple of mails will come to you previously.
Okay. And இன்னொன்று வந்து நீங்க ஃபர்ஸ்ட் லைக் இந்த few earlier தசகம்ஸ்க்கு நீங்க ரெட்ல மார்க் பண்ணியிருந்தீங்க இல்லையா for all the splits.
ஆமா.
That was very helpful. Thank you so much.
Okay.
So இப்போ for the other தசகம்ஸும் நீங்க அப்படி அப்லோட் பண்ணுவீங்களா பாக்கிக்கு அது மாதிரி splits ஓட?
The idea is you already have an idea of where the stop comes, and other thing is from dashakam 10 to 12, 10, 11, 12 or even 7 and all, they did not have any pause. Ellam chinna meter. It was Vasanta Tilaka, Indra Vajra, Upendra Vajra and all. They are smaller meters. They don't have pauses. Only this is dashakam. After some time we have come across where the pause comes. That is, it is very similar to dashakam 3. So I think since you have already seen dashakam 3, I thought you will get to know, because the idea is when we go in this ragam, the pause comes naturally after 6 letters. For example, in the shlokathla, if you take the first line, Bhava Chakra Jyotish, that's where the pause comes, but you can't pause there because that's a continuous word. So you continue. Bhava Chakra Jyotish Kanalavani Patena Vidhute. Second line, Oh Maya Chakre. There you have a very nice pause. You can take it after 6 letters. Raga, it comes naturally. Then Vidata Ghana Roshantamanasam.
Okay.
Similar. That's why I didn't go on to put, because some people get confused. Hopefully in the raga you get to know by practice. Or you can take a pause wherever the word ends. That's all.
Right. In the third line, in verse number 7, third line.
Yes.
Garishta Bhikapram, there is a visarga. So can we recite it like Garishta Bihi Mushtip Pratibhira Bignantamasura?
Absolutely. That's why I teach, when I teach separately, most of the places where I split, you can split. Unless some place I make it easy in between samas also, I split to make it easier to pronounce the first time. But whenever the visarga and all comes, you can split there and happily recite. Yes.
Thank you so much. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Next, Panchanatham Swaminathan.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can. Namaste.
Okay, namaskar. I know you have answered most of the questions I had in mind, but one small request is you make all these changes, so you automatically update the text, because I'm downloading the combined version. So I will wait until, so probably when you upload the video, you will update the text also. For example, you put the visargas and some typos here and there. So they get updated also. So when I see the text, it will be cumulatively updated, right? So
yes.
That's very nice. But one question is, why did this Patabeda, why does it come? Because Bhattatri was a recent poet, so he should have documented all his work, right?
Agreed. You are right. So the number of Patavedas are far lesser than we have in either Bhagavata, Ramayana or something like that. But still, I think even 400, 500 years ago, the main this thing was memorization. So maybe there are not many Patavedas. You don't have like 3-4 recensions like Mahabharata. We have only two options in most places, and mostly the meanings are same. I think somebody while reciting, they might have forgotten, and then they would have put some other very similar meaning word came during the generations. So but the meaning does not change. That is the only possible explanation for Patabeda.
I'm more and more amazed with his linguistic style, how he has composed these lyrics, different meters.
You can see that in his poems. Yes.
Dhanyavada.
Thank you. Umaram 08. Then I'll call Chitra Tyagarajan. Uma Ram 08. Yes. Ram Ram.
Can you listen me?
Yes.
Yeah. Actually, I'm from US. I attend the class using my phone instead of the
Instead of
laptop.
Yeah.
So, but sometimes when I attend over the phone, in case if I want to ask, I do not know how to ask from the phone.
Actually, I myself have never used the phone to do this, and Ram Ram, I think, I'm sorry, the computer which I was sitting on, something happened, so the audio stopped. Anyway, I was answering the questions. I think we shall stop the questions for now, because from this I can't see the attendees and the ones who I have to unmute. So we will end for today with that. Kshamyatam, we will continue the questions and the recitations in the next class. Shubhamastu sarvebhya, Shubharatrihi, Ram Ram Ram. Narayana Khila Guru Bhagavan Namaste. Ram 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 sarvebhya.